Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to the Crypto Bull channel with your host, William. Today we've got a smoking hot project for you, and we're going to deliver it on a steaming platter. That's right. We're going to be diving into Aster. That's right. Bringing it on. Guys, it is cooking. That thing. Before I get started, though, I am not a financial advisor. Don't claim to be, never have, never will. So if that's why you're here, you're on the wrong page. We deal with smoking hot projects, things that are trending, things that are in the news, things that we think you need to know about that will make your lives happier. But it ain't financial advice. So get out of here if that's what you're here for. Down in the description, you're going to see all the links to everything I'm talking about, all the good stuff. That's where it's at. Also, speaking of good stuff, that subscribe button, click it. Click it, click it. Then, when you're done with that, click that notification bell so you get notified of all of our future video drops. And then, if you like what you saw, click that like button. Oh yeah, let's talk about some Aster. You can see here what's happening, and it's going right now, guys. It is hot right now. Aster is positioned in the DeFi perpetual DEX space, guys, and features like simple and pro trading model modes, plus tokenomics like yield-bearing stablecoin, USDF, and liquidity tokens are driving traction right now. Oh yeah. And guys, also let's talk about where is the news? PR news, guys. Bybit becomes the first exchange to list Aster, launches exclusive campaigns with rewards up to 100,000 USDT. Bybit just went live with Aster USDT, opening deposits, a little bit of some spot trading, and pushing major rewards with $100,000 in USDT. And that's that campaign. So that move gives access to huge trader base and credibility. You can see right here. Dubai says it's a thing. It's a thing. Aster listing scheduled on Bybit. Deposits open September 21st at 8 o'clock. Spot trading live September 21st. So this right now, as I am saying this to you, it is September 22nd. So yeah, withdrawals open on the 22nd. That's today. And what is Aster? Guys, Aster is the product of the late 2024 merger between Atheros and Multi-Asset Liquidity Hub and Apex Finance, a decentralized perpetuals protocol with strong backing from Binance founder CZ and a growing role in both spot and perpetual trading within the Binance ecosystem. Guys, Aster has already attracted significant attention in Q3 of 2025 alone, and the protocol generated over $6.5 million in revenue, reinforcing its potential to become a top-tier DeFi project. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. All right, so over here on BingX, BingX also listed Aster in its innovation zone. That adds another layer of liquidity plus exposure for those traders. More exchange listings mean more eyeballs and flows. Oh yeah. Innovation zone, guys. Remember, everything I'm talking about is in the description, so you guys want to deep dive this stuff even more than I'm giving it to you, go ahead and click on those links. Biggity bam, biggity bam. We're on Crypto Rank. And what is Crypto Rank? Circulating supply is 1.6 billion Aster. Max supply, guys, is 8 billion ATH. $1.97 September 21. Now trading a bit below that after a sharp gain. As you can see, scroll down for you. But you can see things are still happening live. This is the day after this stuff. So volume massive, but some pullback from the peak, natural for volatile launches, of course. And let's head on over to some of this. You can see listed on. In the past few days, Aster got listed on many CEXs, Gate.io, Bybit, MEXC, 2Bit, hit BTC, ascend EX, and blah blah blah, all the usuals. Multiple entries equals momentum stacking and the like. Yeah, check it out. Check it out. Links in the description. Bam. Coming back to this. Market cap, we already talked about that, but let's talk about it some more. Market cap's around 2.4 billion to 2.6 billion. Oh wait, we didn't talk about that, but we are now. Price swings are wide with a 24-hour range from $1.30 to $1.65. Huge swings. If those swings break higher, possibly for sharp runs, but risk of reject at resistance is real, guys. So take that with a grain of salt. Let's head on back to CoinGecko. And some hype drivers are rumors of Mr. Beast buying, mentions of CZ backing, airdrops, or token claims from the team. These stories spread fast and pump momentum, but also attract short-term speculators, guys. So, real talk on risk is high leverage possibilities, but big price swings, some supplies locked in, big holders, and the chance of heavy pullback. But if you chase without guardrails, you can get wrecked. Here's how the math works, guys. If Aster can break and hold above resistance, grow across more CEX listings, maintain volume, then a 30 to 50 times from early entry is not possible, but requires perfect execution and timing. Do this stuff at your own risk. Confirm the actual exchange availability in your region and verify contract addresses. Monitor your volume and toy with small sizes first, but this one's got upside. But it's now without claws. You never know, guys. It's super cool, super awesome to look at, and it is really hot right now. Like I said in the beginning, my name is William. This is the Crypto Bull Channel. Stay amazing, stay classy. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.